Okay, Dan's Messy Garage Part 2, 2016 Polaris Indy 600 speedometer not working. Alright, in Part 1 I found that the speedometer wire was unplugged, and it was a real pain in the butt to get that plugged in because there's not enough room in there and the cables aren't long enough to pull it out here where you can work on it. I stuck big long pry bar in there, and I had pry down on the air box to get some room in there. But anyways, I got it plugged in. It's shoved back in there out of the way. Now I'm going to put the clutch and belt back on. And maybe start up, see if it works. I don't know how much you can see here. Okay. Alright, I got the clutch and belt together. I just got to pop it on the shaft like that. Make sure to replace any washers or spacers that's in behind this on that shaft. Okay, take the tool out. Well, this tool is nice. Just a little threaded bent rod, but it works perfect for pushing the sheaves apart so you can take the belt on and off there easy. Alright, and this had a spacer, and mine has 3 small washers and a big washer. On here. Gonna tighten this up. Good way to do this is set the parking brake so this doesn't turn when you tighten it. Oh, while this was off, I also greased that Jackshaft bearing that's on there. You pull the little rubber seal out of the bearing. You take a grease gun and some grease, pack it all around those balls in there real good, then put that seal back on. Because that one doesn't have a grease fit. Okay, I know I should have a different tool, but this is all I got right now. Oh. Good and tight. So I'm going to put this bolt back in here. It's nice because the spark plug wrench has the text or the heck, what do you call it? That Torx thing. Yeah. It fits that. Makes that easy. That's tight. This goes back in here with the tool. I don't know if you can see anything right now, but I just gotta get this done. Get in there. Fits real tight in some foam. Right, so it keeps things from rattling around, you don't lose them. And there's zippers here that lift that up. Okay. This side. Other side here. I'm getting ahead of myself. Gotta put this whole center part on the top before I put side panels on. I have to move you guys probably in the way here. Might do it. I need some room to get around you guys so I can get to it. I'm not 100% sure, you know, the correct method to put this on, but my windshield a little loose. Okay. And something up here that clips in like that. Two screws that hold the top in. Now I can snap these sides on here. Shove this bottom one in. And this pivots up. Locks into there. There's some push and turn 90-degree fittings, kind of like a Zeus fastener. Same thing on this side. Push and turn. And I got two screws. I think I missed something already. Yeah, I'll get these screws first. Okay. Up here, two screws that go in here. Of course, these are Torx bits. They don't give you this tool. Let's see what size this is. T, we guess 27. Things are about 1 inch long, and they only need to be about 1/4 or 3/8 of an inch, but oh well. You think they're gonna listen to me? No, not a chance. Okay, one thing I forgot, there's some, oh, I guess you call them push pins. They're around here somewhere. My hellacious mess. I found one, and I'll show you where it goes on this side. Take that off. Take this off. Yeah. Pull the side panel off. Okay, right up here, you gotta push the center part in the hole, and you take this, and that's an expander. When you shove that down in there, it spreads that first part out, kind of like a rivet to hold that together. Okay, so now snap this back in here. Do the 1/4 turns. Now I gotta look for that other one for the other side. Thought I put it over here on the running board. I'm not seeing it. Oh. the way things go. That's the garage and a nut laying down here for something. I don't know if that came off the snowmobile, because I've had other things in the garage parked in the same spot. Okay, well, I'll look for that thing later. Alright, in part 3, I think I'll start this up and see if this speedometer works. Stay tuned.